Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset Netspend password on PC. Netspend is a US-based provider of prepaid debit cards and online account. Your online account gives you full control over your money, checking balances, paying bills, transferring funds, and tracking transactions. If you forget your password, you can reset it securely from your PC to regain access quickly. So first, open any of your PC browser, Chrome, Edge, and the Firefox. And at the top, there's an address bar. Type down netspend.com and enter it. And over here, once you get into this interface of your Netspend login, in the top right corner, we can find this login here. Select to this login, and under this login page here, you need to select to this forgot your password. Over here, type down your username if you remember, and select email and select next. And after that, Netspend will send you a password reset link to your registered email. Open your email box, find the message from the Netspend, and click the reset link, and that is it. And you can return to your Netspend login page again, and you can enter your username or the email and a new password, access your account, and manage your fund as usual. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.